Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you see by the title, today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag video. Personally, I love watching these videos. They're so entertaining, and sometimes they just spark ideas. Like maybe somebody has something in their bag that you don't carry in your bag, and maybe that thing that person carries can be helpful to you, so you go, you get it yourself. It's just a cycle, it's just very helpful. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I carry in my bag. Voila, right over here. So yeah, let's just get started. So this is the bag. This is my Longchamp, all black, obviously you can see, purse that I use every single day. I purchased this off eBay for like $85-ish, $90. In the front of the bag I keep my hand sanitizer, very important to have before you eat, after you eat, use the bathroom, whatever, just freshen up your hands. There's germs everywhere. So when you open up the bag, how it looks on the inside, it has like a little pocket right here. So in the little pocket I keep my keys, obviously very important, you need keys. On the keys I have like this cute little light, just in case I'm like walking in the dark and I'm so scared. I have my flashlight. I'm just kidding. And then in this pocket I also keep my mace spray, because mace spray, pepper spray, whatever you call it, because yeah, it's very dangerous and you just never know. So I just keep this for my own protection. So now on to the bigger part of the bag. So in my bag I have my bottle of water, but now that summer's here, I would like to purchase the like thermos one to keep the beverage cold for longer. But yeah, but in the meantime I have this, and this is my hairbrush. Obviously I have to have a hairbrush because sometimes like my hair would just be crazy looking and I need to fix it. Then I have my sunglasses. Even though I can't really use them because I wear glasses. I don't wear my glasses for the video because of the glare, but I do wear glasses. Where are they? I'm not gonna get them, they're like far. But sometimes if I just want to be blind and just say F it, I'm gonna just wear sunglasses. This is what I have in my bag, so I'll just wear these. Got these from H&M like 2 years ago. They were very affordable, less than $10. Then I have my 1,000 Wishes fragrance from Bath & Body Works. It smells really good. Right now, it smells really good. Ooh. So yeah, this is what I keep in my bag. Oh, I love this right here, girl. This right here saves lives. Like honestly, I found that my mom had it and I just took it from her because she's not gonna use it. And when I'm just outside, I'm just hot, I'm just fanning myself, feeling very bougie and cute. And then I have my wallet, obviously, of course, my wallet. This wallet I got from eBay as well. I love eBay. My boyfriend put me on. Thank you so much. This is the wallet that I got from eBay. This is just my cards. I have like a little money on the side. And the good thing about this wallet is that it has, I'm not sure what it's called. I'll link it in the description, but it's like a blocker. So scammers, listen, there's like this weird thing that I heard that scammers have like this machine, this device that they can like literally just like pass your bag, swipe it, and they'll have all your information, credit cards, debit cards, whatever, social. If you have your social in your bag, I'm pretty sure it just detects. I think it just detects cards. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is it's risky, it's scary, and I don't know about you, but I work hard for my credit score, so no thank you. And then I have my deodorant. This is my Degree Dry Protection. Just always keep this in my bag just in case, you just want to freshen up. Then I have snacks. I have this strawberry Dum Dum lollipop that I'm gonna eat later, and my granola bar chocolate chip. These are really good. I get the big pack from the supermarket, and then I just like throw it in my bag every day because your girl gets hungry. Then lastly, I just have these 2 pouches. I like to keep these things in pouches because I don't like to have everything thrown in my bag. It makes the bag just a mess. I just can't. In this bag I carry my like hygiene products. I keep my tissue just in case, for my nose. These are really good, especially for the winter. I bought this came in a pack of like 12 for $1 in Dollar Tree. Y'all be sleeping on Dollar Tree. Listen, y'all need to go to Dollar Tree. But yeah, so I have this. Then I just have a pad. Obviously, I'm a female, I need a pad. I'm gonna save this for last because that's so important. I'm gonna save that for last. So I have my pad, and then I have like 6 of these OB tampons, which I really love. They're really small. but they work for me. Yeah, so then I have my panty liners, of course. Can't go anywhere without panty liners. And I have these two, I think I got these from BBQs. They give you like these little packets to clean your hands, so I just like kept these and just have them in my bag just in case. Then I have this emergency panty. This right here, ladies, will save your life. Just in case if you have an accident somewhere and you know you're at work or school, you have a fresh panty in your bag that you can just change. You know, well, you know, if it goes through your pants too, then you're really kind of like assed out unless you have a pair of extra pants in your bag. But if you catch it before it's too late and it's just on your underwear, you can have a backup, which is very, very good. I always have an extra pair of underwear in my bag. So that's what I keep in this little bag. Oh, wait. This. Oh my god, ladies. La Fresca. This right here is awesome. And as a matter of fact, it's for guys too. So if any guys out there watching this is amazing. It leaves you so minty and fresh. You know, like if you use the bathroom, or if ladies, if you're on your monthly, this is really good right here. I always keep these in my bag, especially since it's summer now. Woo, girl, it'd be too hot, you need to freshen up. So I also keep that in that little pouch. And then on to the last pouch. This is like my makeup stuff. So this is my Aveeno Positively Radiant Lotion. I use this on my face. I just started using this. I love it. I took it from my mother. Don't tell her. But yeah, I got this from my mom. And it's the Aveeno Positively Radiant Sheer Daily Moisturizer Sunscreen. Yeah, I was scared to use that first because I thought it was going to break me out, but it doesn't. So this is good. I use that. Then I have nice stuff in here. Oh my god. I have my lip gloss. I have my 3 lip glosses. You know, you have to have flavors, some different options. So this is the NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the shade Angel Food Cake. I love NYX Butter Gloss. It is just heaven sent. Like, you know, it's so affordable and it's just so cute. And they have so many different colors. Then I have this. This is from the discount store as well. This is NX Makeup Lip Gloss with vitamin E. So yeah, this is really, it leaves your lips very glossy. And then the one that I'm using now is probably a bit faded already, but my Burt's Bees, I like this as well, but it's a little bit more pricey. Honestly, like, I don't think it's really worth it. I would rather just use these. Sorry, Burt's, but I mean, I bought it, so I might as well just have it anyway. Then I have my asthma pump because your girl suffers from asthma, so I gotta have this at all times. Then I have some little makeup products. I have my I Heart Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. It's the mascara that I have on at the moment. It makes my lashes look very long, hence extreme crazy volume. And then I have this little highlighter that I use. I actually have it on as well. It just gives me like a nice little like natural look. This is Jordan Glow and Go. I got this at Walgreens, probably for like $8. I got it a while ago, but you could just, I'm pretty sure that Walgreens will still have it. Then I have my Blistex, because this is very important. Can't have your lips chapped. Can't put lip gloss on with chapped lips. It's a disaster. So this right here. Then I have this little Good Girl perfume. I think my mother gave me this. Well, I probably took it, I don't know. My mother's gonna watch this video. Hi, Mom. Then I have this Nasacort, because I have allergies as well. Your girl suffers, let me tell you. So I have this Nasacort Allergy 24 Hours nose spray that I keep in my bag. And then I have these 2 hair clips. These are really good to have in your bag. Like if you just want to, like, let's say you have your hair out, you're tired of your hair being in your face, maybe you're gonna eat. I don't know about you guys, but I hate when I'm gonna eat and my hair is out and it's just like everywhere. It's a disaster. So you just have your little clip your hair. Or if the wind is blowing in your face and you have lip gloss on, especially, I know y'all know that struggle when you have lip gloss on and your hair is just blowing. So yeah, this is really good for that. And then I have just a mini one. I don't know why I have this mini one, but I just have it. And these 2 hair ties, very important. Another Blistex. Your girl loves Blistex. Then I have this little nail filer just in case if like I get like my nail gets a little messed up, I could just like file it. And then I have these oil absorbing sheets because I have oily skin and my forehead will literally blind everybody. So to be considerate for others, I have this to just pat it on my face and it takes off the oil. My boyfriend gave me this, but I think I'm pretty sure you can find this at like Walgreens, Duane Reade, that kind of stuff. Then I have this mirror. I got this at a beauty supply as well. My charger for my headphones. Wait a minute, where are my headphones? Oh, I got scared. I'm like, I lost my headphones. So yeah, this charges my Beats headphones. They're really dirty right now. But yeah, these are just my over-the-ear Beats that my boyfriend got me. Thank you so much. Just like, oh wait, that's wrong. But yeah, I just use these for the gym and stuff. So they go like right over the ear. Yeah, cute. So yeah, he got me these. If you don't have AirPods or you can't really afford AirPods, I think they're like $170 or something like that. I got these for only about $60 off eBay. eBay is the plug. But yeah, so I got these off eBay for $60. You cannot go wrong, you know. They're loud enough. I hear my music. They get the job done. I have this little razor that I use to shave my face. If you guys are interested in like learning how to like shave your face, let me know in the comments or something, because I can make a separate video showing you guys how I shave my face. But yes, I keep this in my bag. And by the way, I talk super fast, so I'm so sorry. Then I should have showed you this when I showed you my wallet, but this is my little change. I collect change, let me tell you. Like if I see a nickel on the floor, I'm picking it up. If I see a penny, I'm picking it up. Like I got this off eBay as well. And yeah, that is it. So that's everything that I keep in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave the link down below for the Longchamp bag if I can find it. So if you don't see it down there, it's because I didn't find it. But yeah, if I can, I'll leave it down there. The link to these Beats, I will leave that as well. And for the wallet, because as I said, it has that protection where, you know, these scammers can't get your credit card and debit card information. So this can be really helpful. I'll leave that link down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And stay tuned for more content. I will be uploading every Monday at 6 o'clock. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.